Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change or apply the format painter for elements like text box, for instance, in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, let me navigate to this document here on Bluebeam Revu and let me zoom in a bit. So let me, for instance, change the color of that text by double clicking into it and also apply a different font. And now guys, what you want to do is right click into the given element, make sure that you select the select tool first at the bottom, then right click into the given element. And then guys, what you want to do is use the format painter here, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. You may also pin it by using this button. Select it and then apply it to any other element. You will see the cursor changing its appearance to this icon, so click into it. And as you can see, the format has been copied from that element here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.